Good evening, everyone. My name is Shen Zihao. My matric number is 1913226.
My name is Wang Shuting. My matric number is 1911290.
My name is Ma Li. My matric number is 1911329.
My name is Wang Xing. My matric number is 191288.
So, is everyone ready to begin?
Yes.
Today our discussion, the topic is human activity are the cause of the climate change. So, what do you think of this topic, Wang Shuting?
Okay, in my opinion, human activities can lead to environmental change. The most obvious of this is carbon warming. Human activities can lead to a dramatic increase in the environmental population is one of the main factors leading to global warming. At the same time, this also suggests the balance between the ecological environment. As a result, the distant increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere distillates after the climate change on the Earth's surface. The governing environment population has become a most carbon used and one of the main factors contributing to carbon warming. The water is increasing. Water evaporation is also more. The rain season is prolonged and floods are becoming more frequent. The quiet change of flooding, the extent and series of storms, and the increased development as will most impossible for agriculture and not accessible in many parts of the world to adapt to such a change. Green development effect creating extensive forest regeneration amount and agriculture disaster. How about the topic, Marlene?
Yes, I agree with you. Due to the rapid growth of the world population, the urbanization process has accelerated the changes in the surface, and the changes in the groundwater surface has been profoundly active, and as the scales of the city continues to expand, energy and materials consumed increased, and atmospheric environment and water pollution are serious. Water resources are scarce. Urban noise pollution is serious. Natural vegetation is reduced. Urban green space coverage is low, and urban drainage facilities are backward. Resource and time. Traffic is heavy. So waste is increasing, and it's difficult to handle. These are the changes that human activities bring to our planet. So, what do you think about Zahao?
I think you're right about that. The world is a source of life, and there is no life without water. People and water are inseparable. The total reserve of the water in the world is about 1.4 billion cubic kilometers. From the fingers, water is abundant, but the available fresh water resource is extremely limited. With the increase of the industrial activities, the production and the use of the heavy metals have also increased greatly, resulting in serious heavy metal pollution in lakes and rivers due to high processing costs and large investment. Industrial wastewater is direct discharged without the treatment or is not up to the standard, which seriously pollutes the water resource. Unreasonable use of the chemical fertilizers and pesticides causing soil pollution, destroy soil structure, and thus breaking the ecological balance of nature. The role of the seepage formed by the precipitation bring the pesticides in the soil and organic waste from the pastures, farms and agriculture, and cyanide products processing the plants. The water deteriorates. The water quality, the pollution caused by the pesticides on water is very serious. Do you think this topic, Wang Xin?
I agree with you, and as in my opinion, I think the human activity have a big impact on the climate. Since the science second industrial revolution, with the development of science and technology, and also the rapid increase in the population, human consumption of natural resources has also been increasing. So a lot of pollution has occurred in this process. As Shooting says, the greenhouse effect is caused by a large amount of greenhouse gases. The increase in climate disaster caused by climate warming may be more prominent problem. A slight increase in the global average temperatures could lead to frequent climate and excessive rainfall, with deposed trees and persistent high temperature, restriction in large scale disaster loss. According to the historical data on climate change, some scientists speculate that climate warming may damage the ocean circulation, trigger a new ice age, and cause tremble climate disaster in high latitude. In addition, it also caused acute rain, which caused serious damage to the animal vegetation and the land on the ground. And the vehicles clearly made the pollution more and more serious. So, if anyone has some add.
Yes, I want to add something. I agree. You said. I believe that the forest is the lung of the earth and should be strictly protected. However, human deforestation and the random exploitation of the land have led to the decline in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon basin has about 2/3 of the world's tropically rainforest and about 30% of the terrestrially living resource from 1982 to 1985. The land area demanded by forests in regional increased from 10,000 square kilometers to 27,000 square kilometers. Amazon's forest destruction is growing at a rate of 25,000 square kilometers to 50,000 square kilometers per year. If destroyed at this rate, the Amazon forest will disappear completely in the next 500 to 50 to 100 years. The destruction of the tropical forest in the Amazon region not only makes species extinct, but also makes climate change abnormal, make it unsuitable for crab growth. Yeah, this is my opportunity. My opportunity. Yeah.
Okay, so do you have anything to add, everyone?
So as you guys said, I think the climate issues is one of the biggest problem for our humans development. So I think our human people must be changed to predict the earth. Not to predict the earth. Is to protect the living evolution for our human living.
So okay. Thanks to the opinions given by our team members and the positive attitude of the team members to discuss. So our conclusion is that human activities cause great damage to the environment. Human beings are the products of the nature and part of nature. The earth is the only place where human beings live and develop. Human beings have established an inseparable relationship with the global environment. Therefore, so we must have a clean and comprehensive understanding of the seriousness and the importance of the environment issues. We must actively take appropriate the measure to prevent the future the deterioration of the environment and build more the harmonious and beautiful home. So our discussion is over now. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.